like to talk to you about the course in Urogynaecology, Uro Obstetrics and Urodynamics, which is held in Dubai. My name is Mohsen Iskander. I'm consultant obstetrician and urogynecologist in United Kingdom, and we have been running this course for many years now. It has been very successful course. We have just concluded one this week. The course is a mixture of lectures and teaching, but also a lot of workshops, which my colleague, Mr. Simon Hill, is going to talk to you about.
Yes, we combine theoretical teaching with lectures with a program of hands-on practical courses, including periurethral bulking agents, intravesical Botox, and several others.
If you come and attend this course, you will be granted a master's certification in Urogynaecology, Uro Obstetrics and Urodynamics by IBC, and encourage many of you to come and join us in the next course, and thank you.